Hey y'all. Yep, it's me, Pauline. You might be wondering, where is Tammy? Well, don't worry about it. She didn't quit therapy talk. I mean, it won't be the same without her, right? I'm here today actually because a few weeks back, Tammy and I were supposed to have met in person, did a whole recording in person. However, Mother Nature said, hell no. And so while she was in her hotel room and bored, right, because there was a snowstorm in Iowa, she entertained herself. So I am curious to find out how Tammy entertained herself. I mean, I believe in her. She probably had a blast, maybe. Anyway, so let's get right into it. But wait, y'all check out my bow. I felt cute today.
Are you sure about that?
Won't delete. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna hit play. Let's do this.
Hello everybody, Tammy with Therapy Talk. Tammy Pauline. I'm sorry, I look like a hot mess. Let me tell you why. Because it's snowing outside and I just drove from my house to Des Moines. I was trying to get ahead of a stupid storm. My windshield wipers aren't helping much because I had a trip planned with Pauline. We were going to meet in Texas, and then we were going to go to Shreveport for New Year's Eve, and we were going to videotape in Shreveport and talk about next year, 2021, and what our plans were. But you know what?
True.
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature indeed.
Plans. I was stuck in a cheesy hotel right next to the airport because I thought I was going to be brilliant and smart and get ahead of the storm. And guess what? Wrong again. So instead, my plans have been totally canceled. Not postponed, but canceled. I got a notification from my airline saying, la 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 la, you don't get to go to another trip because it's 2020 and a pandemic. I probably shouldn't go anyway, but I had a lot of precautions in place. I took a COVID test. I have plenty of masks. I have lots of hand sanitizer and lots of wipes. But it still didn't work. So anyway, I'm here at a cheesy hotel room. So I thought what I would do is give you some therapy talk traveling tips when you're not able to travel. Life happens. Sometimes things do not go as planned, and you are smart and you know this. So I thought I would just give you my tips as I'm trying to muddle my way through the evening so I can get home tomorrow. So actually, the very first thing I do when I'm ever in a hotel room, anybody who travels with me knows this about me. Let me tell you something about bed bugs.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What?
Oh no! Not the bed bugs.
Other than when you work sometimes in mental health and you go visit people, sometimes people have bed bugs. And it has nothing to do with economic status. Like, people who are millionaires can have bed bugs if you travel. So I knew I was traveling and I'm always checking for bed bugs. So the first thing that I do, therapy traveling tip of therapy and talk.
Okay, let's pause. Bed bugs. Okay, we'll move on.
Pauline, tip 1.
Tip 1. Okay, I should be taking notes.
I already stripped the bed for the most part, but I lift up every single sheet and the mattress pad.
I hope she doesn't find any.
And the blankets, and I look into the grooves of the mattress pad, and I see if there's any bugs. Now, since I have really bad eyesight, I can see good close up, but not far away. So
I'm legally blind, I can see, barely.
So I'm going to...
Did she find any? Oh.
I didn't see any bed bugs, so we're good. Okay.
She lifted with her back. Did y'all notice that?
You're gonna see a almost 50-year-old woman jump on the bed. And this is therapy tip
Two. Yes, two,
Travel.
Tammy.
If you don't see any bed bugs around the corners, if you jump on the bed, you might be able to bop them out. So you get a nice little.
Be careful, Tammy.
And the workout room is closed, so this is a really good way to get
Gosh,
work.
yes, it is. Way to be creative, sis. Just aren't yourself. Ah!
If I had some good music, I would have danced. Granted, I'm really sad I'm not on this trip.
I'm sad. I'm sad with
But
you.
you gotta make the best of
Okay, I'm good. Let's pause. So I know Tammy was jumping on the bed for bed bugs, right? However, when I travel to hotels or Airbnbs, and I'm probably gonna get like not invited to anyone's home, but I like to jump on beds too
Oh, you crazy.
because I made it. I just jump around and yell, "Mama, we made it! I made it!" Yep. Fun fact. Anyway, let's keep watching.
Another thing you can do. I didn't see any bed bugs jump up.
I mean, neither did
Another thing
I.
you can do, which is a lot of fun when you get with other people, is have a pillow fight.
Take off your glasses.
Only when you're here. Pillow fight with yourself. I should have taken my glasses off. Somebody
Yeah.
should have told me that would be a good therapy talk tip, but nobody's here to tell me that. Again, good cardio.
Y'all.
Another thing you can do is order Domino's and then 3 hours later have it delivered. Now, I'm not a pizza person. I'm still out of breath, you guys.
3
I'm not a
hours?
pizza person at all. But look, Domino's. It has a picture of a domino on it.
It does, yes.
Brings you lots of napkins.
Oh no.
So you can play
You're
with
gonna have to
some
clean all that up.
toss napkins.
Tammy.
It's fun. It's safe. It's easy.
Uh-huh.
All you gotta do is have napkins and you just toss them. That's right.
My friend.
And if you wanted to make it a game, like maybe a speed round game, you can see how many you can
Speed
throw up.
round.
Throw up.
The struggle, girl.
You can toss until you're out. I am plump.
Oh,
Another thing you can do if you're bored,
if you're bored.
obviously I am, is we can
Okay.
play.
What are you gonna do with the cups? Okay.
Right, that doesn't work. Maybe off my snaz. Or I
Y'all.
can juggle. Oops. See? All good fun.
Yep. You're having a blast.
Oops, another napkin. I could show you how I pack. Normally,
Wow.
I take a big suitcase.
Pause.
Check it.
Do y'all notice the P on her suitcase? It's right there. Yeah, I was with her the whole time.
And then I have to go to the baggage claim and pick it up. I'm still out of breath, you guys. That was really good cardio. But
Yeah, you are.
I'm a minimalist now. That's quite a joke. No, I used to be a minimalist though when I lived in a camper and RV. In a camper and RV.
She
Oh my gosh,
did.
I can't even think or talk. I once
With
lived
3
in
dogs.
an RV in Oregon, and I worked in mental health. That's a story for another time. But I was really minimalist at that time. Anyway, so I have this little bag, and it's purple. It's very purpley bag, very purpley bag. Has a P on it.
Purple.
So Pauline
Love
was
it.
like that. Purple. Pauline.
Yes. How did you know?
Look at this,
Oh my God. Wow.
Pauline.
She just knows me.
I have all these storage areas for other stuff I can fill. There's nothing in there. Are you proud of me? Okay.
I'm so proud of you, sis.
Let's see what Tammy travels with. Well, during a pandemic,
In the Tammy
I
bag.
have some wipes.
Yes.
I also
Essential.
have hand sanitizer.
Another
I
essential.
travel with Dramamine. Don't leave home without it.
Can't relate.
My first time flying, I used up all the barf bags. Not even joking. I carry cough drops. Not only because it's pandemic.
Yes.
I don't have a cough. But the air
Yet.
in the flights get very dry. And I don't want to drink a bunch of water and have to pee all the time getting up. So that helps. Otherwise, I have a whole bunch of candy that I eat.
Therapy
Since I got
talk
my
tip.
sweet tooth
Thank
pulled,
you.
That's not an issue. I don't really eat a whole lot of sweets. So I have dry shampoo because
Ooh,
you know,
yes.
you never know when you might need
Because
a shampoo.
who likes his shampoo?
For sure. So I have that.
Wet.
I have my saline solution. Because you never know when somebody might need a bag of saline. And I play a nurse on TV. My little baby deodorant. And a couple other things in there that nobody wants to see. Of course, I have my unmentionables, though I'm not going to mention that.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
I have this really cute
I like that
travel
color.
hair straightener. Now you can all see my hair
Ooh.
is pretty freaking straight. I don't think I can get
It
it any
is.
straighter. However, this is really cute. Isn't it cute? It's so
Yes.
cute.
Team short
I
hair.
got that. And it's really good for my hair to make it straight. And then I brought gifts. 'Tis the season to give gifts. Now, we had an episode where I used this
Tammy.
as a beautiful prop. Now, I collect these when I travel. I like to go to antique shops or thrift shops to look for these. So I
Okay.
don't remember where I got this one, but anyway,
Of
Pauline's
course not.
sister, who's a big fan of ours, mentioned she really liked
Chef
it.
Josie.
I'm gonna give this to her as a gift.
She would love it.
Sorry, Pauline's sister. I know your name, but I don't know if you want me to blast your name on here. But sorry, Pauline's sister. You're just gonna have to wait until another time for you to get that. And then I have
Yes, absolutely.
some clothes. I have some New Year's Eve clothes, so I had some cute clothes to wear that I'm not gonna be wearing. Anyways,
We can wear them another time. Maybe
my jammies.
wear it on therapy talk.
And then
Jammies,
I got
yes.
my earplugs, my medicine, my mascara. Oh
my gosh.
Gosh, you guys, my room is a mess.
Well, it wasn't until you walked in. Okay, be careful.
Sunglasses. And I can wear my sunglasses at night. Or
Yes.
I got my sleeping glasses.
Sleep. Yep.
They're not really sleeping glasses.
She's
you know
such
what
a
I mean?
princess.
And then I got my reading glasses.
Queen. Prop queen.
Because I might need to read. And then I have my seeing glasses. So I got lots of glasses.
Pause. What's the difference between seeing glasses and reading glasses? Can someone let me know in the comments below? Okay, let's move on.
Only one of them really helps me, and that's this one. So anyway, guys, that's about it. It's still snowing. We're supposed to get, I don't know how news people are that they can say, hey, you're going to get between 0 and 20,000 inches, and they still get to keep their job. If I was wrong like that all the time, pretty sure I'd get fired. And I wouldn't.
You're fired.
Anyway, have a happy new year. Again,
Thank
I was
you.
being super goofy, but I'm trying to make light of a pretty sad situation. In the realm of life, it's not that big of a deal. We'll get together soon.
We will.
I'll just be able to go home and I'll save some money from traveling. But third time, Pauline and I tried to make this trip happen, and this is the third time it didn't work. This time, the airlines and the weather spoke and said, not gonna go.
No.
So it's out of our control. So many things in life are out of our control, and we just got to do the best of it. And so that's what I'm trying to do here tonight. Just make the best of it. It's snowing outside.
Make the
There's
best
snow
of it.
blowers. There's people stuck in snow drifts. There's a lot of freaking snow out there. Anyway, have a good day. Happy New Year. Pop on here later to see what kind of content we are going to have coming up. Pauline, if you're out there, you're missed and adored. I love ya. You're my sister from another mister. And I'm looking forward to like what 2020 is going to bring us. Bye.
2021, sis. We're not doing 2020 again. Absolutely not. No, I refuse. I'm disinclined. Anyway, so thank you for hanging out with me and Tammy from far away. And so, like she says, hop on later. See what we got. Bye.